Okay guys, sa araw na to, gagawa ako ng Kikiam. Meron akong sibuyas, tubig, harina, cornstarch, bawang, at saka tilapia na isda. Meron din, gagamit ako ng chicken cubes, itlog. Gagamit ako ng vegetable oil. Tsaka meron ako ditong pamintang durog at baking powder. Ayan lang yung gagamitin kong ingredient. Ilagay ko isa dito. I-add ko yung garlic, sibuyas, yan. Pag-add ako ng harina. Cornstarch. Oil, mantika. Itlog. Egg. Ground beef for i-add ko rin to. Chicken cube. Yan. Tapos maglalagay ako ng konting baking powder. And of course, water. A little bit first. So, this is perfect, guys. Look. Charan! Maglalagay ko dito ng harina, guys, para hindi siya dumikit. Yan. Perfect talaga siya. Ano siya? Natakpan. First time ni Warren to, guys, matitikman, guys. Favorite ko to eh. Fishball, kikiam. Ito yung mga pinibinta sa lansangan. Ay, street foods na. Lansangan ba yun? Street foods. Favorite ko yun. So now, gumawa ako. Para ma-solve naman yung bituka ko. Solve na. Akala ko, mahirap gumawa ng kikiam. Hindi pala, madali lang pala. Kasi inaano mo lang doon, inikot-ikot eh. Inikot-ikot ko lang lahat ng ingredient, pinaghalo-halo ko lang lahat. So, madali lang pala siya. So, next time, gagawa ko ng marami. Ibibinta ko kaya? May bibili kaya? Ayan! So, ito na yung kikiam na ginagawa ko. Kaya ano ko na lang to siya. I-boiled ko na lang siya. Ayan, ilalaga ko siya, guys. Tapos kapag lumutang na siya, ibig sabihin luto na siya. Painitin na natin yung tubig. So mainit na yung tubig, ready na to. So Lagay ko siya isa-isa. May impress na naman si Warren nito eh. So, pwede na to guys. Tingnan nyo, lumutang na oh. Ibig sabihin kung luto na siya. Hindi siya pantay. May malaki, may maliit. Pero okay lang yun. Malalaki ng kikiam ko. Ang lalaki ng kikiam ko. Nasa sa inyo naman yung kung lalakihan nyo, normal size lang siya. Sa akin medyo malaki. Kasi napalaki ko. Magpapainit ako ng mantika. Yung mantika na ginamit ko na yan siya kahapon. Sayang naman kong itapon. So, yan na lang din ang pagpiprituhan ko nitong ginawa kong kikiam. So guys, luto na guys. Ready to eat.
Well guys, here it is. This is Kikiam.
Homemade.
My first time trying it, isn't it?
Yeah. How does it taste? Perfect now.
Yeah. Wow.
Perfect.
This is perfect guys. It's crunchy, it's soft in the middle. And because it's fish, it's moist. The traditional version is actually from China, and then it's spread around the rest of Southeast Asia. And they use pork in China. In obviously Philippines, we've used what did you use? Tilapia.
Tilapia.
Tilapia, that's the one. Of course, you can use other types of fish, but we like tilapia, don't we? Really makes it moist inside. Hasn't dried out at all. And of course, we've got the special sauce.
The sauce of kikiam.
Delicious.
I have more here. Ta-da!
And the sauce really brings out the flavours, doesn't it? So it brings it all together.
Yeah.
Really nice. And let me know guys in the comments, have you tried Kikiam and what do you have with your partner with it? Or do you just have it on its own?
Some vinegar.
Oh, vinegar, oh, okay. Vinegar would be nice as well. I think I like this one more. I think this is the best sauce.
Sweet enough.
Sweet like my wife. Alright guys, drop us a comment. What do you want to see in the next video? And tell me if you've tried this and what's your perfect partner with this, apart from a loving wife. Alright guys, until the next episode, ingat ka.
Bye.